I needed that, man. I definitely needed that. Man, come on, man. Get my money back. Man. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So it did feel me. Okay. So it did feel me. God damn it, man. God. Ah. 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 Damn it. Damn it. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. God damn it, Nvidia. All right. So I think we missed. I missed the Nvidia pump. I missed it. We missed it. Damn it. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Damn it, we missed it. All right. So I mean, we can still get the SPY pump. I can buy me some cheap calls. I want to give it 2 days. I want to give it 3 days. Let's see if I can get lucky. I might. We'll see what happens here because they might be coming in here to try to sell the retest of this breaker structure right here. That's why I'm kind of getting aggressive with protecting this position right now. They could be trying to sell the retest right here because I already see it on the ES. They're trying to sell it right here. They're already coming in and selling it on the ES, so I'm gonna be very mindful. Right here, already selling the retest of that breaker structure to the downside. So just be mindful. I mean, if you're in this long, just keep it tight because we could be. I mean, this was obviously the second leg down that we talked about last night. If you joined me last night, I mean, shit, man, that entry that we had last night was damn near perfect last night, man. If you took that, then and the entry that we had on the Nasdaq last night, damn near perfect. We had two entries down here. I was able to get all of them filled. Kind of going back to what I said. Last night we had two entries on the Nasdaq. One at 380, another one at 400, like in this area right here. And you can see that the Nasdaq tapped perfectly in this area, bounced at this golden zone, this golden area that I had marked out from, I believe, last month. And we got this massive move up. And now they're trying to come in and sell the retest of that breaker structure here. So the bulls could, well, there you go. We could see a move back down into this range right here. We could see. And we could see a move back down here. But that was definitely two great moves on both the Nasdaq and the ES from last night's stream. So I'm very proud of that. Let's see if they'll hold this range. If not, I mean, we'll take it. We'll take it. I mean, it would have been nice to have. It would have been nice to have taken profits up here, but we'll take this. And if you took this move with me, you would be up about $1,500 right now if you took this move with me from last night. So on 6 micro contracts. That's the beauty of this strategy, man. Low risk, high reward. 6 micro Nasdaq contracts, and we're up about 1,600. If you took that short from the ES last night, we took that in the sim, and right now we're up $1,600 from that move from last night. So I'm very proud of that. I really am proud of that. It just really goes to show that when you get out of your own way and you stop doubting the market and just pay attention to the price action, price always finds a way to get to where it needs to go. It always finds a way to get down there. Whatever the reason is going to get down there. I just got filled on something. Got filled on something. I don't know what just filled me. I just cashed out on some. I just cashed out on some puts. I bought some puts last night. I was able to get about 30% with those. I hurried up and closed those out because it was only 0 DTEs, and if it doesn't work out as soon as the market opens, then those things tend to expire real quick. So just hurry up and close those out. Give me a second. Okay. All right. Here comes the 9 o'clock algo. Let's see what side it chooses. See what side. You know what? I can't lie, that pump saved my life, especially on the ES. Especially on the ES. Yeah, the ES looks like it wants to sell off too. Looks like it could. Yeah, this thing might be actually on its way back down. I moved my stop in the middle of this range. It could be on its way back down. Looks like the bears want to sell this. We'll see what happens. But I do think that we'll probably get another leg down. And after this, I'm gonna go in the sim. I mean, I've made money. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin kind of broke my heart last night. I ain't gonna lie. That shit broke my heart. Hmm. Well, let me look at it instead of hoping. Let me look at it. Yeah, hold that range, Nasdaq. Hold that range. Hold it. Make sure that's not a fake out. Because if the ES ain't looking like it's going to pump, if the ES is not in a position to pump, then the NASDAQ won't be either. The ES bulls are going to have to hold this. They're going to have to hold it because the bears are definitely trying to sell the retest right here at this neckline. So the bulls are definitely going to have to hold that. They're trying to sell it. That retest of that breaker structure right here. All right, you got 2 minutes to the algo. Historically it's been bullish, but lately it has been behaving bearishly. All right, we'll see what happens. Probably get to 620, or probably get to the top of this. We'll probably get to right here. Possibly. We'll see. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right, let's see what size it choose. Okay, that's fine. A great trade, great trade, great trade, great trade, great freaking trade, great trade. You can't complain about that. I can't complain if she just tapped me out and it's going to actually continue to go up. But that was a great trade, great trade, great trade. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm about to go to the sim, making sure that there's nothing. I want to see if they're going to sell the retest here. So I'm going to actually take this trade. I'm going to take it. This is exactly where I would want my stop. And this is exactly where I would want my target. So let's see if the bears are going to take this down. So I won. I mean, at least they kind of gave me back my money for that one. At least they low key kind of gave it back. I mean, if they pump this thing here, if they pump it, like I said, I'll be highly upset. Mm, mm. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely broke my heart last night. I mean, I didn't take profits. It's my fault, but I didn't expect her to do all that. I did not expect for her to do all that. NQ. What the fuck is even going on? Man, you can be balanced. I think I might have shot myself in the foot on that one. Shit. Yeah, this thing is probably gonna go up higher. Mm, we'll see though. We'll see. I mean, there is a lot of buying. There's a lot of buying, but the market is not moving up. Let me look at the thing with Bookmap channel real quick. Since Smith is not on, I guess not. Just look. Wow. Mm. I guess what I could do right now is just look and see where everything kind of fell through the floor today. Because I was looking at that area to go short, but I don't know why I didn't trust it. I did not know why I did not trust this, or why I didn't think to take this short right here at 908. I was looking at it this morning. And I thought to myself that I'll just wait on, if given the opportunity, I'll just wait on the long. But apparently I should have just taken the short. Yeah, so it does seem like, I mean, it's highly likely that the Bears are going to knock it down here. I mean, the question is, will the Bulls buy it? I'm still looking for SPY to touch 75, 77 before I really get some long-term calls. And if we do see that drop in SPY today, or if we see it tomorrow, that's definitely what I'm going to be looking for. Because they're definitely going to set this market up to buy some Nvidia. I mean, it does appear that, so when I look at the Nvidia chart, it kind of does already appear that they already bought the dip on this. And I kind of hate that. It looks like they already bought it. But I mean, I guess this thing could still come all the way back down into the 20s, which will kind of, it might be unlikely. I don't think anybody's going to sell Nvidia no time soon. I don't think so. But that's what I'm going to look for. Yeah, I saw that wall on Bookmap or NQ. Alfred, were you able to catch this pump up? You able to catch it all the way up? Yeah. Hey, good morning, man. Moxie, what's up? You caught a piece? Yeah, dude. I mean, shit, it tapped exactly where we talked about last night in last night's stream. And the crazy thing is when I was actually looking at the charts and I was telling myself, there's no way it can get down here. Like I was really trying to hold myself back on this play. I was like, God, I mean, well, when I was explaining, I was like, yeah, if price were to come down here, this is where it would bounce. But when I woke up this morning and I looked at and I got in front of my desk and saw that we got this big move down, I got filled and then I was up already like 50 points. I was like, damn. And here I was telling myself that this shit wasn't going to probably work or that price wasn't going to get down here. But price always finds a way to get to where it needs to go. It always finds a way to get to where it needs to go. So shit either, I mean, look, this is obviously a double top on the ES. So it's highly likely that I'm gonna get my target filled here. Yeah, it's highly like I'm gonna get my target filled. Honestly, I'm probably might be shortchanging myself. We can probably get a retest. We can probably get a price to come down and take out that leg right there. Shit, Smith is not on. Hey, Mad Moxie or Alfred, y'all wanna join the chat and talk? It does. Y'all don't have to if y'all don't want to, but if y'all want to jump on and talk, just hop in the chat. I think I already gave you the role, Mad Moxie. I think I already gave it to you. I should have. If not, I'll do it right now. Nope, I did not give it to you. I'm about to give it to you now. Oh, you're in the office? All right, no problem. I mean, yeah, it's no not a big deal. If y'all want to hop on, just say hey, tap me in, whatever, join the stream. Just hop in the chat and we can kind of talk about what we see. But yeah, my bias is bearish like I said last night. My bias is bearish. We did get that second leg down from yesterday, but with this big move down, I'm thinking especially on the ES, they're going to want to at least try to double bottom this move right here before it wants to go up. But at the same time, this is a two-legged pullback into a previous area of support though. So, I mean, I guess a lot could happen here. The bears did reject it right there. And not only did they double top it right here, they're selling a retest of that breaker structure right here. They're selling a retest and they're selling it again. But at the same time, the bulls are trying to buy this up though. We'll see. My bias is bearish until we can find support above these, until price breaks out above these highs and finds support. Bias is going to be bearish. All right, so let's see if the Nasdaq broke my heart. Yeah, as I was trailing this thing, she came back and she stopped me out. I mean, almost to the T, she stopped me out. And it looks like she's trying to push up higher. So, Nasdaq, just don't break my heart. Yeah, she's gonna break my heart. Okay, she's gonna break my heart. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And it was still a good trade, man. We made a lot of money in that trade, so I guess I shouldn't be mad. It's just my ego. I wanted my target. Uh, so now price is trading in this range right now. So kind of based on what we saw, I mean, we saw a bullish move into a trading range, so we should expect. This is what we should expect. A breakout to the upside. We should see them trapping low and then pushing up. That's what we should expect to see, but we'll see if we get that right here. We'll see. Hmm. Let's see what people on tilt's doing. I don't expect the Nasdaq to push up. I was just saying, just based off the price action, a bullish move into a trading range, we should expect a trap below this range and a move back up. That's usually what happens. And honestly, I feel that if we do see a short right here on the ES, this is where they would bounce it at in this area. Hmm. And this is a sim trade game. Wait, I've already made money today. This is a sim trade. And what I was looking for, or what I want to kind of look at is, even though we had a bullish move up, will the ES still respect price action over the momentum? That's why I took this trade. Mm, mm. He said my sim trades can seem to control the market. Mm. I knew the Nasdaq was going to break my heart. Actually, the Nasdaq didn't even move. Did the ES just swipe? Okay. I think the ES just swiped. Oh yeah, again, wait. I guess I have to say you're right, right? I gotta say that you were right with that Bitcoin trade. Yeah, I got stopped out last night, and then she dropped. I got stopped out last night, and she dropped. Like literally, I don't know what I did to Bitcoin for her to be. It was like, dude, you don't take your profits. Well, I'm gonna take your stop. I think this was exactly probably like this is where my stop was at 395, and she swiped me, and she kind of went down. So, uh, mm. So at the peak of this trade, I was up about 8K, and I didn't take it. I did not take it. I wanted my 10K target. Uh, but even though the bears have majority of control on Bitcoin, she is stair stepping her way up. She's definitely stair stepping her way up. Man. She is making a trending move up. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this is what confirms that we're not trading in a sim account. This is not a sim. There's no, well, this is my sim, but there's no reason why my in the sim all my contracts shouldn't be getting filled. Fucking NQ. My God. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. NQ. Mm. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. NQ just hit my targets after stopping me out, literally to the T, stopping me out. She just hit my target. And this is why I get stubborn with it. This is why I get real stubborn with my damn targets. Because every time I try to be freaking cute with it, every time I try to be cute. Okay. He says, stop it. Can smell. All right. Okay. Fine. Whatever, man. Yeah, it looks like they bought the dip on freaking Nvidia. That was the damn dip. That was the dip right there. That was a dip right there. Yeah. Yeah, that was the dip. I mean, this goes to show that profits deep down inside, I mean, we love making the profits, but it's not the profits, man. It's the opportunity. It's the principle of the whole thing. I'm sitting there thinking to myself, why did I mean, you had a great trade. I mean, yeah, I didn't hit. I mean, I mean, shit. Price just did hit my target. I mean, I would have got my targets hit just now, but I had a good trade. We caught the bottom. We planned it out. Our trade worked out, and I'm pissed because it just didn't hit my target. And then I tried to be cute and trail my stop to protect the gains, trying to be cute and shit. And NQ showed me what cuteness gets you. Stopped out and your targets hit. And something else, no matter how we feel about this shit, we got this bullish move up into a trading range. We should always expect another leg up. Yeah, I think that was a dip right there. That was probably the dip for Nvidia. We're going to probably see the market run tomorrow and today and tomorrow. and I missed it. I missed that. I'm so upset. Mm. Oh man. Oh man. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. So I had an opportunity. So I was looking at these calls right here. I was looking at these calls right here. These things got down to like 74 cents. I was looking at 5.95 calls, and I got kind of greedy. I was thinking, well, this thing can probably dip some more, and because I wanted to buy it at 50 because it was at 70, and this thing is up like almost 80% right now. Man, these things are almost up 80%. Mm. Okay. All right. I don't know if the I don't know if I'm getting tested right now because everything that's happening right now is a recipe for revenge trading right now. Everything. But I'm not going to revenge trade. Me and Smith was actually talking about that last night, man. We was talking about that last night. How sometimes we allow our emotions to get the best of us. And it makes sense. We're passionate about what we do. I mean, obviously, this is something that we're very passionate about. Obviously, we have high expectations for ourselves, and if we don't meet those expectations, nothing. I mean, anything less is not acceptable. Anything less than what I shoot to achieve for is just not acceptable to me and to Smith. And that's as we was talking about it, that was holding us back. I mean, I guess this could work right here, but the ES is trending, so I mean, I guess this could work. Uh, but I think that might be a trap because the ES is trending. This might be a trap on the Nasdaq if you think about shorting this thing. But the ES is definitely trending. So we might get a pop back down into this range, but it's going to be very hard for the Bulls to kind of regain momentum. I mean, not the Bulls, the Bears to regain momentum, especially since we got this breakout of this bullish range, especially because we got this breakout, and any pullbacks will be bought. Any pullback back into this range will be bought. So, unfortunately, if the Bears want to be successful here, they got a lot of work ahead of them. I think that if I think the Bulls will start to take profits probably at the bottom of this range where we saw that break, a structure to the downside right here. You might see people taking profits there, but I'm thinking that the Bulls got this market unless the market wants, unless that was a good enough dip for Nvidia for Wednesday for tomorrow, then this thing should be making its way up. Unless that is a good enough dip. Now, if the Bulls want to take profits and probably get a double bottom and possibly further, so they can get a good dip buy on Nvidia. But the Bulls got this. Bulls got it. No, I want the whole move gain weight. I want the whole move. Shit. I mean, it's obvious. It's obvious to me. I mean, the profits is just I mean, it's just like to brag about. It's like, yeah, I made 80%. I mean, that's just bragging rights, but it's the move. It's the move, man. Hmm. Hmm. I guess. Well, yeah. I guess. Yeah. 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 Man, it's the principle of a gain weight. I want to say that I got the contract at the cheapest price and I sold it at the highest. That's it. It's the principle of the thing. Because I'll never take the profits out. I mean, I'm not gonna ever withdraw the money out the account. Ooh. Yeah, Jonathan, that's probably like the best thing to do. That's the best thing to do, man. That is the best thing to do. I will say this though, that milestone account, it really is instilling a lot in me. I hate trading it though. I hate all the restrictions. I hate it, but it has opened the doors to being one and done. And it's behaviors that I'm probably going to translate to all my funded accounts. Just making $300 on a daily basis is quick, is easy, is repeatable. And at the end of it, you're getting paid out. I mean, that's kind of why I'm going to have an account because I'm not going to completely change how I trade. I'm not doing that. I'm going to have an account to where it feels like I'm trading for real, like in an authentic way where, I mean, if it only hits my stop and target and there's no in between that crap, like it's none. But then obviously in my funded accounts, I kind of have to accept things for what they are. Small targets, easy repeatable targets, building it up on a day, let it compound over time and just get paid out from it. Mm. Yeah, me too, Alfred, man. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, I enjoy. I mean, like I said, it's a love-hate relationship with that damn milestone account, man. It's love-hate. I love that it's forcing me to trade this way because, like I said, it's opened my eyes to trading this way in my funded account from now on. I mean, you can only withdraw $1,200 at a time. Just make the $1,200. Just make $300, and at $300 for 5 days, and there's your payout. If you blow the account, just get another one. I mean, you already made back your investment. You made it back. That's the point. You made the investment back. If you want to be a professional trader, just use your profits and start your own personal account. But until then, just play the game and get the payouts. And I will say that previously before that, I mean, I was telling myself to do that, but I was like, no, I don't want to do it that way. And just like you said yesterday, Alfred, that's where that stubbornness comes from. It's like, dude, I can get really stubborn, and it's a double-edged sword. I'll hold to profit, I'll hold to target due to my stubbornness, but then at the same time, I'll hold to target because of my stubbornness. And if it doesn't hit my target and it runs back to my stop, I mean, oh well. Oh well. So it's a double-edged sword. I want the whole move. I want that shit. Let's actually measure this move. Actually, let's measure it real quick and see where this thing could possibly go. Yeah, I didn't eat nothing. Well, we'll see. We'll see if the Bears. Actually, I'm in the sim. So when I'm in the sim, I wouldn't highly recommend even considering the trades I take because either I'm just trying to trade or I'm just testing stuff out. No thesis. I'm just testing it out. Just a disclaimer. I'm just testing things out. So when I'm in the real account and I'm explaining things to you guys, it's based on stuff that I've experimented with in the past. I kind of want to start using these. I kind of want to test these these S1, S2, because I have been seeing the market using these as resistance and support. I mean, even though it's saying S2, I mean, this is supposed to be a support area. Sometimes I see that areas like this used as resistance and resistance areas used as support. So I just kind of want to see, like in situations where, the market is making this rotation up, is this a good area to come in short if you have a bias that this is an area where they want to short at? I want to see what they do here at this range right here. And the bears are going to try to come in and try to sell this. I mean, what kind of makes me angry about this ES is because I took the ES trade in my milestone account and I only took enough to make the $300, and it had this big giant ass rotation up too. So I just kind of hate being limited to by the milestone account, but at the same time, I guess I might as well trade that way and just get the payouts. And so we are starting to see some profit taking here, but we'll see. We'll see. And Nasdaq, I mean, when I said that was dirty, like she literally stopped me out to the T. I should have just kept my stop underneath this range. Next time, that's what I'm going to do. I mean, from moving forward, I'm just not going to be cute with this. I'm just going to move, keep my stop underneath the range, and if it comes back, it comes back. But it definitely hit my target and went beyond it. Mm. So it looks like the bears did come in at this range right here. I mean, and this S1, I mean, what, at 14, it kind of went to, I mean, he was down 3 points. So we'll see. We'll see if the bears actually hold it here. I mean, I do think that if we do come back into this range, they will buy it. Or it's highly likely that it comes back into this range, they'll buy it. You got the 200 EMA right here. You got VWAP in this area. Prices, I mean, it's coincidentally sitting at the breakout at the top of this range right here. So it is highly likely that market participants will buy this dip. But if they don't, if they fail to buy this, then we can expect a move down. If they don't buy that retest at that area. And NQ is at that 23%. The NQ is going to have to find support above 645. She's going to have to find support above it, because if she doesn't, we already know, based on in the past, if she doesn't find support above the 23%, we see that move down. See them failing to find support. And we got that move down. Failing to find support, move down. So found support, made that move up. So they're definitely gonna have to find support above 645. You can see they're already selling it at the 23%. Mm. That's just You think I trade for profits, gain weight? Well, like I said, I'm not gonna argue with you if you want to believe that. Shit, if I trade for profits, I would take it. I don't trade for profits. I trade for targets. I trade for targets. I want the top and I want the bottom. That's what I want. Hmm. It's interesting how well, it's not interesting, but Bitcoin bounced perfectly at that trend line. It bounced perfectly at that trend line right there. And I think UProfit finally did it. I think they finally did it. They raised their prices. I mean, they raised their prices on their 50Ks and their 150Ks. I've already said that this is too expensive. That's too expensive. This is all right. $39. That's actually pretty decent. That's not too bad. That's not bad. This is kind of, I mean, I felt like they had it properly priced. I don't know why I really don't know why they did this. I really don't know why they did that. It's their business, but this is too expensive. And yeah, that's just too expensive. You're not going to get somebody used to spending $40, $50 on a 50K account and then have them spend 50 more dollars and think that they're going to buy in the same frequency as they do. I mean, if someone does buy this, they're not going to want to blow this account. I mean, I really don't understand why people just don't take Apex's model and just run with it. It works. Mm. But greed is one hell of a drug, though. Mm. Mm. We'll see what happens, too. I guess we'll see what happens. Because if it makes a 100, so I mean, I guess. So with Bitcoin, is either going to do one or two things. Either it's going to reject at all-time highs. Either it's going to reject the all-time highs, or we're going to see price go all the way up to like 96, 97. Yeah, man, I appreciate that. I really do. And I'm glad that that happened. But damn, that shit's almost at 100%. Caught that damn move. Hmm. 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 Hold on real quick. Yo, congratulations on that game weight. I wish I was right there with you. It would have been nice to have been right there with you. No, my TPs would have got hit a long time ago. Hmm. Okay. A bullish move into a bearish range was followed by a bearish move down. A bullish move into a, well, this was a bearish range right here. This is definitely a bearish range. So a bearish move, a bullish move. This was a bearish range, but we did still get that second leg up. Got a bullish move into a bearish range. We did get a double top, but then we got a drop. And it is about to dump at R2. Let me see. Mm, yeah, it is not fair. It's not fair, dude. It's not fair. Can't believe Nasdaq did that shit. Well, I guess I should have bought him. Yeah, I should have bought it. I should have bought it. Damn. All right. So, I mean, I guess price we could see a move all the way up to 600, but I mean, will it do it by tomorrow though? I mean, we could see a move to 600 though, or we could see the market drop. Because I mean, even though we did get this bullish move up, technically we still had this big move down on a higher time frame. I mean, we still have this big move down. We made a pop up. We made our lower low, and at least for right now, we still got a higher high. I mean, a lower high. Until it takes out 96, this is still a lower high. We still got the 200 EMA right here. And we still got this high at 724. Mm. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens by the end of the day. We'll see if they want to head and shoulder, have a head and shoulders pattern. And if we do see a move down, if this will be the area where they come in and buy it back up, we'll see if it just keeps on going. Because I mean, once it passes this high, obviously it's going to break the downtrend. Obviously, we already got the second leg down though. I mean, we talked about this last night. The Bears kind of got what they wanted already. They got the second leg down, and they was able to take out the liquidity underneath that low. Hmm. Kind of the same thing for the ES. I mean, if it trades above 933 and finds supports above it, then we know that we're going higher. I mean, you don't have to really guess with the ES. Honestly, if it doesn't really, if it's not really held off right here, what is that, 920? If they don't hold it at 920, that breaks structure on the ES for sure. That definitely breaks structure for the ES if they don't hold that for the bears. And if we see price trade above that, and we see price trade above this high, 964 is obviously, it's going to be somewhere in that area, the next target for the bulls. I mean, I don't see it happening though. I mean, I just don't see it happening. I don't see it happening though. Yeah, I do that. You know what? Let me see something real quick. Let me see. Let me see if they're selling into this because I doubt it though. But maybe this is just them already buying the dip for tomorrow. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, if they found support above this range on ES, then yeah, this is done. 23, 923. 923. Okay, so I guess this is them probably buying the dip for tomorrow then. Hmm. 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 Fumbled the bag on that one. Fumbled the bag on that. Thank you. Man, look at that shit, man. All right, NQ. I see what this is. I see it. You heard I was over there trading Bitcoin. So I'm gonna share this with you guys because I really don't talk about it anymore. But usually I like to write in the journal. And the one thing that I know that I'm kind of doing right now is some low key revenge trading in the sim, which if I'm going to revenge trade is going to be in the sim. Kind of doing a lot of things right now. Revenge trading, practicing, all that stuff. I just hate, like, dude, like it really does bother me. It really does piss me off when I miss moves like this. It just pisses me off when, because I mean, like I said, me and Smith was talking about it, and it was like, well, I mean, we have a lot of things down packed already. It's just if we kind of take our profits and kind of trail it, because I mean, to us, we're thinking about it as, well, shit, it hit my target. And like I said, I'm not going to ever change that. I'm not changing that. But at the same time, if we want to grow, and know that does bother a lot of people when we don't take profits. I guess some people would see it as, I don't know, but so that's kind of what I was kind of moving it, trying to be cute. And then I guess in this situation, me getting stopped out, going against how I would want to trade, and just keeping my stop all the way back here and letting the trade play out. It just pisses me off. Mm. Okay. So if this was if this is the move, so okay, so let me kind of explain uh, what I'm thinking about here. I'm thinking that my bias is that I'm thinking that the market wants to dip a little bit deeper for Nvidia tomorrow. That's my bias. We talked about how price coming down here to 380, we would see a big move up, and we saw that move. And that if it touched this, then this might be the start of that move higher. Hold on. And kind of going back to what Gameway says, I was waiting for this, but then I did have my eyes right here. And this is kind of why I was kind of upset about this with SPY, because I could have just bought the calls when price was all the way down here, because I'm still looking to get a good entry on 595 calls. I'm still looking for a good entry. But obviously with price moving up the way that it did, obviously, I mean, it's going to be more expensive, but I don't want to pay for it if it's too expensive, because you kind of have to get in. You have to, like with options, you have to get in at the right time, the right price, and you have to have the right expiration date. And I'm gonna at least hold it for a week. And if it doesn't work out tomorrow, then I would close it. But I have to give it enough time for it to possibly work out. Like if it doesn't work out tomorrow, I wanted to, like, Thursday would be my absolute last day and then I will close it Friday. But Nvidia, it looks like they already bought the dip on Nvidia. Like they bought the dip on Nvidia already. I don't see this coming back down on Nvidia. And I don't think nobody's going to sell out of Nvidia, not until the earnings are released. So I think I might have missed a move on Nvidia. All right, I think I might have missed a boat on Nvidia. I mean, if we do see price come down and we see like a retest of like 40 or something, because I doubt that. I mean, we're not seeing this low. The way that they bought this low, that price ain't coming back down here unless Nvidia has bad earnings. But it's not coming back down here. We missed a boat on Nvidia, unfortunately. And that's what makes me angry. Is because I mean I hate missing something that I planned for and I was looking for it and it just happens when I'm not like in front of the charts or something. I was looking for 25, but this was an area that I was also looking at right here at 35 and it hit it. Well, it hit 37, but I was looking at 35. But I think they just like, nah, 37 is good enough. Mm. All right, so we missed a move on Nvidia. And we may have missed a move on SPY. If I wasn't being so damn greedy, so I had an opportunity to get in at 70. Yeah, so these calls that I had an opportunity to get in at $70 right here. They're up $150 right now. So I would have been over 100% in this move already, shooting for 95. Hmm. Okay. And I do think that we'll probably get a retest of like 600 or close to it. We'll probably get a retest of around like 98, probably. They probably might come to 98, 97, 98. And then we'll probably see like probably it chop in a range before we see like a drop or a pop. Shit, let's look at Tesla. I'm still I mean I'll doubt that Tesla will drop anytime soon. We'll see what happens if price gets up here to 360. If it gets to 360, let's actually look at that real quick. And then I would have to buy long-term puts because it takes, from what I've counted, it takes Tesla about 20 days for it to actually make a move, for it to finish it move. 20 days. So hold on, give me a second. Come on, boo. Come on. Okay. Okay. All right. So apparently this was the move up. Apparently. Apparently that was the move up. I don't think this is shorting anytime soon. Damn. Both the ES and the Nasdaq made a 100% recovery, and I only took 6 points. God. Oh man. I didn't even think to take this in my swing account at all. Mm. I mean, I'll probably go up to like the 390 probably. We'll see what happens at 360. We'll see. You know, probably like 370 or something like that. 370. Mm. Mm. Yo, congratulations, Alfred, and gain weight. Congratulations. Congratulations. Nah, Alfred, I'm gonna stay over here at Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see how this trade will work out. Um, but obviously, I think the Bulls got it on Bitcoin for right now. The Bulls are definitely still buying it off of this trend line. Yeah, this is something I'm gonna have to write in my journal. I mean, this is exactly what me and Smith was talking about last night. Exactly. Like I said, I'll give myself props for coming back in the sim and doing this crap and just revenge trading somewhat. Can't believe it. Okay. Hmm. Oh man. Mm, 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 Look at all that green. Oh my god. No. 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 Oh my god. Look at that green. NQ, why did you do that to me this morning? Why? Why did you do that? Oh my god. And this is why I stay over here at Bitcoin. This is why I stay here at Bitcoin. That's too expensive, man. That's too expensive. Damn, that's like, dude, that's still too expensive. Ah, damn. 558. 558. $558. Oh, man. Okay, I got like 5 minutes and then I gotta jump into this meeting. Got like 5 minutes. I guess if I did that. Hold on, you said take the profits. 50K is 102 all in. Avoid the daily loss limit. You'll be able to get the daily payouts. Oh, what are you talking about? He says start at a 50K, take profit eval. Oh, okay. Mm. Mm. I mean, you're not. Yeah. I mean, I just hate that freaking daily. Man, I hate that trailing. Hate that trailing drawdown, man. I hate it. I hate that trailing drawdown. Mm. In the way that I trade, I feel like, ugh, damn, damn. Uh, oh my god, man. Damn, damn, damn. God damn. How did I miss this fucking? How did I miss this? Oh, what? Uh, I mean, like, no, like, dude, no. Like, that wouldn't even make sense. It would have to work out immediately. It would have to work out immediately. Shit, I think it goes further than that, game weight. I think it goes further than that. Hmm. Okay. I'm gonna do something because the ES kind of did something that we talked about last night. Let's see if they actually reject it here at 928. Hmm. Hmm. But then I would have to, I mean, it would have to be cheap. It would have to be cheap. And NQ is also right here as well. Well, shit, Gameway, congratulations. You just got your TP hit. Yeah, it doesn't look that way. Hmm. Man, that pisses me off. God damn it. Let me take this shit off. All right. Ah, shit. I'm never jumping to this. All right, guys. That's it for me. Uh, we'll come back again tonight, and whatever happens, we'll prepare for tomorrow. And with that said, peace out, everybody.